it is definitely a cold day here in Tennessee. Not only do you need long sleeves, you need a jacket, and I apologize, but the flies are trying to come in the house. I actually do fly jars out on the patio, and I have went ahead and cleaned those up and disposed of them. And now we've got flies in the house. And by the way, I have a video on that, although I don't think we're gonna need that for very long. But I do have a couple of flies in the house, I apologize. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw this together. We're going to make one huge chocolate chip cookie. This is my husband's favorite, and I'm gonna make this for him tonight. So these cookies are so good. I don't know if any of you, and probably maybe a lot of you, have made cookies out of cake mixes. They make the best cookies. Oh, they're so good. But instead of making a tray of cookies, because my granddaughter's napping and I'm scared she's gonna wake up, I'm just gonna make one huge one. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is grab a cake mix, and we've got a yellow cake mix. And I don't buy name brands. You can do name brands if you want to. Look at there, they put that in the box upside down. Okay, at first I thought I opened it upside down, but they put it in there upside down. Okay. That's one of those you had one job to do. Okay, so go ahead and dump that in your bowl. This is so easy. 1 cup of chocolate chips, a half a cup of oil, and I'm actually using avocado oil because, believe it or not, it really tastes good in a pan of brownies or even in these cookies. You can do butter, you can do canola oil, whatever you need to do, but I'm just gonna use the avocado oil. Now we're going to add 2 eggs, and I already cracked those open, and I've got them, I beat them, and I'm gonna go ahead and put those in here as well. I'm gonna give this a stir. It's a quiet day here today at the house. It's almost so quiet, it's eerie. When she wakes up, we're gonna put on jackets and we're gonna go outside. I need to acclimate myself to this weather because I'm that person who gets cold. Like, I've constantly got a heater or a jacket on. And I've got my heat on today. You're gonna use your muscles with this one. Your mixture's gonna look like this. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in an iron skillet because I don't know, I love cooking in an iron skillet, and I think this will look really pretty in the iron skillet. And I went ahead and I oiled that down as well. I'm just gonna drop this in here. Yum. Go ahead and mash that down. These are the easiest cookies to make. This is one giant cookie. You want to get this really nice and even, and I just kind of get it eye level and look at it. Yum. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven on 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes, and I'll be back. Y'all, this is gonna be so good with some ice cream on top and a little chocolate syrup. My husband's gonna love his big cookie.